Okay guys, so in this video we are gonna do some problems in Python. So basically, yeah, go there here, and here we have 30 problems. So basically we are starting from one. So what is this problem? Write code to check a string is palindrome or not. So we are gonna write the code for this thing. So basically how to check that a string is palindrome or not. So what is the meaning of palindrome? You can do here one thing, that what is the meaning of palindrome? Palindrome means here we write one digit, that one number, and that is 1 to 1, and if we reverse it, it is also 1 to 1, and if both are equal, then this is a palindrome. So basically this is a very simple problem in Python. So what you can do here, first of all, we have to take a string here. So like that, you can take a string here, any string like that, 1 to 1, take here, and now you want to reverse it, and you want to check it that it is equal to the actual number or not. So you can do one thing here, and what is that? If and how to reverse a string in Python? Simply you can write like this. If you don't know, then go in the previous videos. So basically like that, we can check that if the actual string and the reverse string both are equal or not. If both are equal, then you can write simply here, yes, it is palindrome, and else no. So this is a very simple problem. No. So like that, you can write the code for this thing. So run it, yes, because it is a palindrome. But if you write here 3 and now you run it, yeah, it is no, because both are not equal. So this is the first way. Now what is the uh, yeah, so what is the second way? Second way is that you can check character by character, like that. Yeah, here you store this like that, n is equal to some string, and then you can do one thing. You can do one thing. What is that? For I in range of length of n by 2, sorry, length of n by 2, and you can do one more thing. If, yeah, here true. First of all, we assume that it is a palindrome, so write here a flag, and what is that? That is true. Okay, and yeah, true, not like that. Yeah, so if this thing, so here we go, length of n by 2. If here it is 3, so 3 by 2 means 1, because it is an integer. So yeah, 1, yeah. So for I in range means I, the value of I is only 0. So you want, what you want to check here, you want to simply check here that if, yeah, one more thing you can do here, you can store this thing somewhere here, like that, length is equal to len of, sorry, len of an, and now here you can write this thing length, and here if n, okay, n of I, n of I if not equal to n of length minus, so what is the length here? It is 3. So 3 minus 0, this is 3. So basically what we have to write here, I minus 1, like that. You can do this thing. So now yeah, if this thing execute here, then it is not a palindrome. So you simply write here flag is equal to false and break. Okay, so now check it. Yeah, now here if flag, yeah, flag, if it is true, then write yes, otherwise write no. So like that you can do here. Yeah. So now run it. There is some error. Float object cannot be. Okay. So what is the float object here? Yeah, here you have to write, because it is a float object. If you write double, then it is an integer. So now, yeah, yes. So because it is a palindrome, that's why it will execute yes. If you write here 3, then it will now yes. So you can also write here like that, some more names like that, HAAH, like that also. This is yes. If you remove this thing, then it is no. So now if you want to know that what is the time complexity of this thing, so here we go from I in range of this. So n by 2. If the length is n, then here we our for loop run from n to 0 to n by 2. And so this is the maximum time complexity for this problem. Now go from the second problem. Write a method which will remove any given character from a string. Okay, so this is the second problem. So you can do what you can do here. Yeah, so there is an inbuilt function, and what is that? If n is equal to something like that 1 2 3 4, and you want to remove some character from the string, then you can do one thing. And what is that? And dot replace, and here simply write the character like that here 4, and only fun time. Okay, not if you don't write this thing here, then it will remove all the character that is same to 4. So now you can simply print this thing and run it. There is some error. Replace tag at least 2 argument. Okay, so here if you write 1 and run it, replace re, replace argument to replace argument to must be string, not int. Okay, okay, yes. Oh my god, yes. You want to replace this from this. So now it is working. Yeah, like that you can do this thing. If you write here some count, and this is a count that how many character you want to replace here. So basically you write here 1. That's why it will replace only one character with this. So now like that you can replace. So now if you want to write the code for this thing, this is an inbuilt function in Python, but you also want to write the code for this thing. So you can do very simple thing here. First of all, create a string, and if write a for loop that for I in n, if I not equal to our character, then you can add this thing here, and after that simply you can print this thing. Like that you can also do. Now what is our n is equal to 1 2 3 4, and what is the character you want to delete 3, run it. Yeah, 1 to 4, like that you can also do this thing. So there is one yeah, so like that we can do this thing. So now what you want to do here, so we remove this thing, and there is some other method also. Okay, 1 2 you want to delete 3, then here 1 to 4. Okay, so like that you can remove any character from a string. Okay, that is right. Okay, so this is for this problem. Now we are going for the third problem. Print all permutation of string, both iterative or recursive way. Okay, write a palindrome to find out longest palindrome in a given string. So this is the very good question. So write a function to find out longest palindrome in a given string. So let's do it if it is possible for us. So first of all, like that, we take any string like that, 1 2 3 2 1. So now we are gonna search here one thing, that what is the maximum size of a palindrome that is exist in this string. So we are starting from the length of this the original length, and that is 5. So there is, we can say see here that it is not a palindrome. Then we are going for 4, then 3, then 2, and then 1. So like that, you can write here the code for this thing, a very simple code. I think the time complexity of that thing is off and square maybe. So like that, first of all, create a loop for the length. So for I in range of len of n. So like that, we have here fifth 5. So you want to do one more thing here. Okay, yeah, and what is you want to do here? Yeah, so basically what I want to do here, go here. First of all, we have 5 length, so we check this thing. So it is not a palindrome. Then we have 4. So now we have two substring, 1 2 3 2, and the second is 2 3 2 3. So like that, we have two substrings. If we take the length is 4, so like that, one is 1 2 3 2, and second is 2 3 2 3. And yeah, there is no, if we have 3 the length, then 1 2 3, then here, yeah, 1 2 3, then here 2 3 2, and 3 2 3. So like that, we have substrings. So basically this is the for length. In the second function, what you want to do here, you want to simply take the value. Yeah, so for z in range of from where to where. Basically, first of all, we have 5 character, then 4, then 4, then 3. So you want to take this substring. Okay, so if you take your 5 here, string, yeah, n minus 0 to 5. Okay, then you have here 4. Yeah, wait for 1 minute because okay, so what you want to do here, we want to simply grab all the substrings from here. So basically what you can do here, first of all, you can write here from j in range of I, yeah, I, because here first of all I is 0, so you want to take the all element. So you can write here I plus 1. So we got here the value of j is 1, sorry, 0. So here what you want, yeah, one more thing you can do here, simply len of n, and write here length. Okay, so like that, you can do this thing. Now you want to means grab all the substrings. So basically what you can do here, take the substring here and simply from j, because first of all we have j is 0. If I is equal to 0, then here range, this range is 1, and we have the value of j is 0. So from 0 to total length, that is 5th, minus now I, because if you have here the value of I is 1, and so basically here for j in range of 2, so here we have two values, 0 and 1. So s is equal to n of 0 to length is 5 minus 1 4. So we have here four element from j of length, means from j 0 to 4. So when we have the value of j is 1, then here 1 2 4. So here we also want to take the 4 elements. That's why here we have to add j like that. So now if we have here the value of Z is 2, then here from 0 to length is 5, minus I is 0, and here J is 2. So it is wrong. Okay, because here, yeah, 1 minute, what is the value of I, 1 minute, if we have here 2, then the value of I is basically 2. Okay, so it is 0. So from 0 to length, and this is 5. And what is the value of J? 2. So yeah, now think about this. If we have the value of I is 2, then here this range is 3. So from the 0 to length is 5 minus 2, 0 to 3. So we have 0, 1 or 2. The length of this thing is 3. So basically what you can do, what if you want to see that it is right or wrong, you can simply print all the things here. So print test and see that it is right or wrong. Run this thing here. Yeah. So basically, yeah, see here it is right. 1 2 3 2 3, then we have this, then here this, then this, then 1 2 2 3 3 2 2 3, then here 1 2 3 2 3. So basically what is our question? Write a function, yeah, write a function to find out longest palindrome in the given string. Okay, so like that. Now what you can do here, simply you can do one thing, check that it is a palindrome or not, equal to s of reverse of this thing. Okay, sorry, this is -1. If both are equal, then you can do one thing, simply write here the print the length of 1 minute, length of s, and break it, because we are going in the reverse order, that's why. So now run it. Yeah, 3. So basically the answer is 3. Why the answer is 3? You can see here 2 3 2. That's why it is yeah, there is one more. Yeah, so basically we have here 2 for loops, that's why we have to use your flag. So flag is equal to, first of all, yeah, take it true. Now not, yeah, not true. So when this thing will execute, you can set the flag set the flag false, and now you can go out of this, yeah, here, and you can write if flag not true means, if flag not true, then break this thing. Okay, because here flag is false, and here it will true, so break this thing. So now you run this thing. Okay, there is invalid syntax, line 12. Okay, what is this syntax? 1 minute. First of all, check it that it is right or wrong. You can see here 2 outputs, because the first for loop not stopping here, that's why. The break for loop, this is for only this loop. So we have to write here a if statement, if flag, yeah, if flag is false, then it will break here, and run it. Okay, invalid syntax. Why it is invalid syntax? Okay, I don't know. If flag not equal to true, I think now it is okay. So like that you can do this thing. Now it is the answer is 3. So basically like that you can do this thing. And here you can also do one more thing. If we don't get any yeah, yeah, the minimum, what you think, that what is the minimum length of here, what is the minimum length of palindrome? If we don't find any palindrome in this string, so the minimum length of a palindrome is 1, because 1, if you take a single digit, then it is always a palindrome. So like that you can, if you write here some more digits like that, and if you want to run this thing, yeah, here also the answer is 3. And if you want to write some more, 3 2 4 4 4 4 4 4 4, and now run it, 8 because this is the longest palindrome here. 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 and yeah, no, this is not the longest palindrome here. The answer is 8. Now how it is possible? 3 3 6, yeah, so this is the longest palindrome here. So like that you can do all the things. And now if you want to know that what is the time complexity of this thing, so first of all this is off, and then here you take off n square, the maximum of, and here also we grab the substring of this thing. So this is not a very good idea for solving this problem because we are beginners. That's why this is a very very difficult code for us. So like that, if you are a beginner you can write codes in Python very easily, but if you write this code in some other language like the C++, then it is very hard to write, but in the Python you can write very easily. So this is the benefit of Python. So this is for this video. I will do some more problems in the next video. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.